everyone. It's good to be back again showing you easy and great recipes. Today, let me show you how to enjoy your yam in a different way, as a full meal or snack. This recipe is surely a must-try, Yamarita. It is basically fried yam coated with eggs. I will say it's a very creative way of enjoying your yam, and let's also elevate this recipe with fish sauce on the side. This recipe is a fusion of carbohydrate and protein, so let's make Yamarita. Get your yam, vegetable oil, eggs, flour, mixed spice, canned mackerel in tomato sauce, ketchup, garlic, salt, onion powder. Start by putting a bit of water in your pot, then peel and slice your yam. There is no particular shape or cut that must be used for Yamarita. You can cut your yam into any slice of your choice. Awesome, right? The water in the pot is getting hot. Time to add the sliced yam. Cover and allow it cook. And while that is cooking, let's make a quick sauce here. Heat up your pot. Add just a drizzle of vegetable oil. Put in your garlic. Such a good aroma here. Add a bit of mixed spice. Mix together and add your tomato paste and tomato sauce mackerel. Mix and it's done. Set this aside. By now the yam is about 50% cooked. Bring the yam out and just place them on the rack or a tray to cool them down. Stay with me till the end. This yam is about to be transformed. In a flat tray for easy coating, put your flour and add your mixed spice and salt. In another bowl, crack your eggs and whisk. Heat up your vegetable oil for frying. Then coat your yam in your flour. Set aside for the eggs bath. Once the oil is hot, it's time to fry. Soak your yam in the egg and straight into the oil. Do not overcrowd the oil. Flip to have a golden brown color. It's time to serve with a dollop of ketchup for that sweet zing taste and delicious bowl of mackerel sauce with light garnishing. This recipe is a full yummy delight, crunchy outside and soft inside. Perfect for your game time, finger foods or breakfast. You can enjoy your Yamarita anytime. So tasty. Be true to yourself. I know you want to recreate this recipe. Keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites and subscribe. Thank you.